coming from Kenneth's salon in the 1960s, from the super rich and the very, very super famous, we had a lot of health secrets. One of them is ice. So in the morning, in the afternoon, sometimes at night, I get 2 ice cubes, one in each hand, and I start underneath my eyes. I start massaging underneath the eyes, then the temples, then the whole forehead up to the hairline. So I really massage the hairline a lot. That's getting a lot of stimulation for the hair growth. This is excellent for hair thinning. Let's bring it right into wherever your hair is thinning, the crown. You don't have to do it very long. Then the forehead, eyebrows, top of the eye. And then I put them on my eyes for 1-2 seconds. Massage underneath, do the cheeks, do the sides of the ears. You can even go in the back. Take it out and put it in the back of the ear. The ears have over 100 acupuncture points in them. So that's a whole study by itself. With the ice cubes in back of the ears, into the ears, in the side of the ears. Very, very good. Doing the face, the nose, the tip of the nose. Touch again, right into the eyes, down, below the eyes, side of the eyes, upper, eyebrows, forehead. And I do that until the ice cubes are gone. It takes about 3-4 minutes, first thing in the morning. Everything's first thing in the morning. So it's one of the things I do. So I'm probably doing the ice cubes the last thing in the morning into my routine. Then in the afternoon, if I'm really not feeling really where I want to be, I'll do the ice cube secret back into the face, hairline, crown. So wherever your hair is thinning, my thinning problem is basically the crown and the hairline. So I do the 4 seasons. You can go online, MorroccoMethod.com. We have all these videos, cut your own hair, brush, scalp massage. But I want to share with you, this is a very, very powerful technique. The ice cubes. Yeah, try it. If it's too cold, just do it lightly. But I'm telling you, within less than 3 days, everyone who's done it has said to me, my body loves the ice cubes. My face loves the ice cubes. And women say when their eyes get puffy, ice cubes is the ultimate to get that puffiness gone. And of course, women say, well, what do I do with my makeup? I say, you don't do anything. You do it before you put on your makeup. So first thing in the morning, before any makeup is done, before anything is done, ice cubes. Then when it dries, do whatever you want, makeup, whatever you do. Then at night, after the makeup comes off, in the evening, then you could do another ice cube. Our health is our wealth. Let's make it happen. Let's be healthy, happy, and strong.